Alright guys, this is gonna be a quick video, hopefully no more than 5 minutes. I finally got my hands on one of the last pieces of my car. As you can see, I have smoke taillights. So, and I have, it's just gonna fall. I read their brake like that, you know, it just doesn't go with the car. So that's what I went ahead and ordered. You can usually find these on Amazon or eBay. I got mine on Amazon. Check that out. I'm guessing it comes with a connector because I'm guessing it's a different harness, but whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this and test it out, see how it goes. It should only be 3 bolts. I think they're either T25 or T30. Let me see. Damn, maybe a T15. Okay, I'm gonna have to go get another tool. It's gonna be a T15, I think, or T20. This is a 25, so gotta go and look for a T20. I'll be back. So it is a T20. So get yourself a T20. Should be only 3 bolts, so we'll check it out right now. Give me a few seconds. Sorry, but I'm recording this shit on my phone because I'm too lazy to go get my GoPro. Just come back. 3 screws are out. They do have some little plastic washers. I'm gonna go ahead and say when you tighten it, just don't overdo it because it is plastic. This should come right out. I think the best thing would be to use something to pop it up because it's gonna be on there like no tomorrow. Pay no attention to it. God damn it. See, now it's popped off. There's probably a connector here. Should be to remove. So I'll be back. Let me check this out. That's the plug you need to disconnect from here. Sorry, I just can't do it with one hand. So that's the other new plug. So I have heard some people saying that it's pinned backwards. The new jumper harness. So I'm gonna have to figure that out, have somebody press the brake, see if it's not pinned backwards. Because if it is, you could open this little slot here, pull it out, pull the pins out and switch them. Because this only goes in one way. Seems like it goes in this way. So yeah, I'll figure that out right now. We'll see. Harness, like I said, I'm gonna test this out, see if it turns on first before I put it in. So for those who have children, go ahead and grab your underage kid and have him press the brakes so you can test it. Which is what I'm gonna do, so I'm just waiting for my kid to come down here. But like I said, worst case scenario, if they are flipped, you should be able to pop this open. So if that's the case with this one, I will come back and show you what I did. And hopefully just flip it. I just noticed the screw is loose here too, so I'm probably gonna have to put this in right. But yeah, hold on. I'll be back right now real quick as soon as I can figure all this stuff out with my kid. We'll fix this. If I do end up taking it off, I will show you that. If I have to switch them. Chances are, by the looks of it, I might have to. But we'll see. Just like some people said, so it's not a big deal. Just, let me see, got my knife. Alright, I use my fingernail to pop this up. Once you do that, you should be able to just slide these things out. Sorry, like I said again. Doing this shit with my one hand on my phone. Hold up. The issue with this one, usually there's a tabs that hold it in place even when you take this off. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch these. You see how this one has these 2 little holes to access the little locks? those right there. This side, which is the one I wanted to switch, doesn't have it, so I'm guessing it should be here in the front, but it's solid piece, so I'm pretty much screwed. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and switch these around. So put something to pierce them through there, and then slide them out, switch them, and then put them back in. All right, so I use my knife. Like I said, there's a little tab, you can see it here. That's the one you depress, pull it out. It's the same thing with this one, through that hole, switch them. All right, cool. Now that you switched them, go ahead and lock this in place. I already closed this one. And I can go ahead and try it again now. Press it. Now that you verified that it works, you're good to go. Tuck this in behind here somehow, because it's a long wire. Then just bolt it right up, and I'll come back and show you the finished product. And like I said, don't over tighten these. These are plastic, so you might strip it. Take off this. Bam. That's stealth. Press the brakes. Yeah.